In this video, I'm going to show how to split a cell in Google Sheets. So I'm going to show two different ways to do this. One of them is just using the split text to columns tool. The other is using the split function. So in this first example, I have a name here in these rows, a first name and last name. And what I want to do is I want to split it so that the first name is in one column, the last name is in a different column. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the cells that I want to split, and then I'm going to come up to data, and then if you come down into data, there is split text column. So if you click on that, then this appears. So what you want to do is you want to choose what your text is separated by. Sometimes it'll detect it automatically. So there's a few options in here: comma, semicolon, period, or space. Or you have a custom option, so you can enter whatever character you want in here. So if you're coming from Microsoft Excel, they call it a delimiter, and here they call it a separator. But mine is separated by a space, so I'm just going to select space, and then it has separated my column into two columns by the spaces. So I have the first name in column A, last name in column B. So that is how you use split text columns. The next thing I'm going to show is using the split function itself. So to start a formula, equals, and then I'm going to do split, hit tab. So the first argument of this formula, as you can see here, is the text that I want to split. So I'm just going to click on this cell, and then I do a comma, and then it's asking for my delimiter. So what is separating this? So in this example, I'm going to split it based on the commas. So I'm going to put a comma inside quotation marks and then close out the formula and hit enter. And then it's going to split everything by the commas. And so I can copy this one that the formula is in and paste it down, and it's going to split all of these rows by the comma. So those are the two easiest ways to split cells in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.